Don't forget to like and subscribe to Jolie Knots Crochet. Hit share, go ahead and share with your friends, or you can hit that little bell to get notifications when new patterns release.
How we're going to work this slip stitch join. Our working yarn is going to need to stay underneath the loops that we're getting onto our hook. So for example, our next stitch here, because we're working into our back bars, I'm going to stick my hook into the top of that back bar, just like normal, as if I was working a normal stitch. Now I'm going to make sure that this yarn is staying down. It's got to stay underneath. Now into the first stitch here, which is this one, I'm going to work my hook from the top going down. Now it's going to feel a little bit awkward because it's not typically how we would all carry our yarn. And now we have 3 loops on our hook. I'm going to give this a little tug. We'll pull on this back one and help with our tension. And now we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. And that's how we're going to do our first slip stitch join, okay? Now for the next one, we're going to work in the back bar of our next half double crochet. Make sure this yarn is underneath, and then go ahead and stick your hook into the next back bar from the top going down. And again, you'll have 3 loops on your hook. Pull this one so it's a little bit more taut. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Just like that, okay? We're going to do a couple more together and then I'm going to let you finish out. From the top down, pulling this yarn under, from the top down, getting the tension back, yarning over, and pulling through all 3 loops. So now that we've got a couple of those done, let's go ahead and flatten this out. And you can see that it looks exactly like the other sides. We're just adding in a braid, and we've got the braids in going on both sides. Let me show you on the one we've already finished. Okay. So this pink one right here is the one that we slip stitch joined down. We kept the braid here and we kept the braid here by continuing to work in the back loops. The back bars, not the back loop, but the back bar. All the way down. And when you get to the end, all you're going to do is hide your tail inside and shove it on in there. And you've got yourself a done project.